Hi everyone, and thanks for joining us this afternoon. I say us because I do have my lovely Jessica here with me today. So say hi.
Hi.
She's sat right beside me. Put your hands in so they think I'm not pretending that I've got someone here with me. Here we go. Right, I am just popping on just to show you what we made with the items from yesterday. I'm just going to wait for a few more of you to join us, otherwise we'll be talking to ourselves, and that won't be very good, will it, Jess?
Mm.
Right, share. Let's go back. Let's let other people know that we're here. So we've got Lynn, we've got Simra, we've got Kay, we've got Ginny, we've got Nikki, we've got Anne, Moira, Pat, Janet, Linda May. Oh, it's not letting me send anymore. Oh, there we go. Right. We have Carol here. Hi, Carol, my darling. I don't know if you saw yesterday's video, but we had, I'm doing once a week a stash. Oh, did I just bash you?
No,
we're doing
a
stash busting exercise where I spin a wheel and we pick some items that we are going to make some projects with. Hi, Linda May, honey. How are you? I'm just going to send Belinda one because she never gets a notification. Linda, there we are. Right. So, hi Linda May, hi Carol. Right, okay, so yesterday we spun the wheel and we picked 6 items to make some projects with. So I picked wallpaper, vellum, old book pages, scrap paper, and what was the last thing we're missing? Oh my god, I'm missing a few actually. Right, let's go again. Vellum, wallpaper, scrap paper, paper clips, book pages, and I have one more thing which I do not know what it was. What was the other thing? I don't know, I can't remember now. But we picked 6 things anyway, and I managed to use all of them. And because Jess, hi Julie, hi Moira, and because Jess came round earlier on, because it is her birthday tomorrow, so I hope you're going to wish her a lovely happy birthday. Please send us some love hearts to wish her a happy birthday. So she is going to be 11 tomorrow, aren't you? She's very quiet. I'm not talking to myself, honestly. She is actually here, and she's actually just put me to shame with my crafting because I said to her, I have to do this challenge, and we had what did we have? Vellum to use and paper clips, didn't we? There was something else, I'm sure. I can't remember now. Moira, honey, can you remember what our 6 things were from yesterday? Because I wrote it on a paper. So we had book pages,
scrap
wallpaper, DSP, vellum, paper clips, and there's one more thing we're missing. Oh, old photograph. How could we forget Annie? Yes, old photographs. Oh, look, they're sending you love hearts. Did you see them popping up? Right. So, instead of me doing it on camera, me and Jess had a little play just now, making something. So yesterday we used the vintage photos, scrap paper, wallpaper, and we did also use some book pages. I have made a little tag to go on the inside pocket. That was from some of my scraps. And then in the back, we have the lovely tag, which we had problems with yesterday. And me and Jess decided to make some tags, which was using the vellum. So I'm going to show mine first. This is my one. You hold on to yours. You can show yours in a minute. So what we've done with this is we've got vellum, and we used the Parisian Flourish embossing folder, and you can't really see it, but there is vellum on top of DSP here, and that's one of the old photographs that we had yesterday, and I've used one of the butterflies from the Butterfly Brilliance And why am I not getting your messages? Happy birthday tomorrow, Jess, says Moira. Carol says happy birthday. Vanda says hello. Simra says hello. So that means we used the vellum. So this is my one. And I left Jess to her own devices. And would you like to see hers? Give us hearts if you'd like to see Jess's tag that she made. Come on, we want to see them hearts, don't we, Jess? Where are they? Jess made a wonderful wonder. Oh, here they come. Look, here they come. Look, see them all popping up. There you go. Come on, show them your tag. So this is Jess's tag. And you can actually see the vellum a little bit better on hers. And she's used the paper dolls, which is kind of like vintage photos, isn't it? And she's put her initials on it with some Tim Holtz bits and pieces. And look, she loves distressing, don't you? Mm-hmm. I should have got you to actually explain what you did on that. But so there are the tags that we made. And I just love them. That looks like, doesn't look like you and Franny, but it's kind of you and Franny, isn't it? So Jess just did it. She just got on with it. She's like, I'm finished now. I'm like, what? You can't be finished. No way can you be finished. Right, okay. And then we had to use paper clips. So I just made a little paper clip with a paper clip sort of clip on, altered paper clip. And I've just used a punch and I've just put some little flowers on. And we could obviously put that on in here like so, and then oops, let's put this on a page or pages just to show you. There you go. So we then have our little altered page paper clip, and we did all of the items that we had in our list, so we succeeded. And actually this morning Lynn says, Jess, you're getting too good. Beware of your job, Chanel. Simra says, I'm just mopping the floor while watching Little Sister Got Fairy Everywhere. Oh, no. Julie Turner says, fantastic job, Jess. Moira says, lovely job, Jess. I know. Isn't it gorgeous? Gorgeous. It's amazing. I love it. So that's what we made with the 6 items that we had. And this morning I was adding more things to the wheel. And I now have, I think, about 55 items added to the wheel. So next week is going to be a lot of fun, isn't it, Jess? And we've got some tidying up to do this afternoon now, haven't we? But yes, so I hope you like it. And it will inspire you to use some of your things. Vanda says, the items are beautiful. Well done, Jess.
Thank you.
Oh, bless. She honestly, she came the other day, didn't you? What did you do the other day?
I did a card for Mum and Dad.
I said to her, do you want to craft? She said yes. It's a shame you didn't send me photos.
Oh, no.
Did you? She made 2 amazing cards, one for her mum, one for her dad, and we used that Treasured Moments stamp set. Yes, she used let me show you the stamp set Jess used, and I'll get some photos off of her if you take them when you go home. She made, what is it, Treasured, oh, it's in the other one. The mini catalogue. Where are we?
Nanny, if I get my phone out my bag, do you want me to ask Mum?
Isn't it?
Yeah, do you want me to ask Mum and Dad if they can send me photos?
What we'll do is, what we'll do, honey, I'll send some and put them on the group. Let me find the stamp set. Treasured Moments, if I can find it. Treasured Moments. First one to spot it's an Inky Pip. There it is. Right, page 71. This is the stamp set that Jess used. So she used this one, didn't you? That one for Mummy. Was it that one or that one for... Oh.
That one was on the inside of the card because the front page of the card was a bit too dark for it. And then that one was on the outside. So
this was Daddy's card, wasn't it? And that was inside of Daddy's card. Honestly, they were so beautiful. She sprayed one of the cards with ink spray as well. And she just got on with it. She was amazing. Seriously. I am going to have to watch my job, aren't I? You're not looking for my job, are you? I might need an assistant though, so when you get old enough I think we will just do YouTube. We'll have YouTube on fire, right? Right, so yes, she used the stamp set, and I will get some photos and put them on the group. Oh, that's really cute, isn't it? With the hearts and that. But yes, she made a beautiful card. She coloured them in, and she did colour all around the edge. Oh, they were just beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. She put me to shame, actually. So yes, we have been super busy. So you're going to take that home, and you've got a journal, haven't you? You've been writing in it. Jess made a it was a traveller's journal, wasn't it? That was like last year.
Yeah.
She's very quiet, isn't she? She doesn't say much, does she? Oh, do you want to tell everyone where we just went? Or you better not, because Linny will be jealous. Or we just went because it's Jess's birthday tomorrow. We went to Greg's. Sorry, Linny, I didn't get you a sausage roll. I completely forgot, and then the queue was so bad. She could do it behind the scenes and you could pretend you'd done it. I could. That's a great idea, Moira. I think we'll get you working and I will take the credit for it. How's that sound? She's just smiling at me saying, Moira, don't be so daft. No, I couldn't I? Interview went well, but not heard anything. Oh, well, we've got our fingers crossed, Carol. Linda May says happy birthday for tomorrow.
Thank you.
And Linda May says fabulous tag, Jess. She could do it behind the scenes, actually. Then I wouldn't have so much work to do, would I? The other thing I've been working on last night, I'm going to be making, I've been using up loads and loads of scraps of the scrap DSP, and I'm going to make these. I'm going to sew them with the sewing machine. I've just made these lovely banners. So this is another great way to use up your scraps. And look how many I've made. Look, I sat there last night and all I've got to do now is get my sewing machine out. But you could just staple them and just put a little stapler in them instead. But look at these gorgeous little tags, and they are just super easy with a 1 inch and a 3/4 inch strip, and use your banner punch and just some wordy things. So those, we've got to get the sewing machine out in a minute, Jess. Nanny's got to get the sewing machine out after we've cleared up this flipping mess. You should see the let me see if we can turn you around. Whoa. So this is ready, Jess. Here she is. She's so beautiful. Look at her. Isn't she beautiful? Not my desk is not beautiful. And my floor. Look at my floor. And all these boxes everywhere. It's not funny, but this is the beautiful Jess. Isn't she growing up? Look how beautiful she is. OMG. How did you get so beautiful? It's because you've got a beautiful mother and a handsome father. Right, so this mess is not very good. So we are going to be, whoa, get you back on there. We're going to be tidying you up, tidying up in a minute, and then we might go and have a cup of tea. Oh, Ginny says, hi, Jess. Belinda says, hi, Jess. But we would be able to tell who had done it. Belinda Woodford says, hello. Yes, you would be able to tell because Jess is she's very arty, actually, and you love spraying things, and I do actually really love her tag. Mine's a bit, well, pants really. Look, I just put a butterfly on there, but yours is really moody. It's a moody card. Do you know what I mean when you say moody? It's kind of moody, isn't it? She's looking at me like, moody? Nan, that's what Mum does, moody. Right, okay, so I will be back tomorrow. She is so beautiful. Hi, Jess. Lovely to put a face to the excellent work. She's growing up so much. And Link, well, now, he's taller than Nanny, isn't he?
Mm-hmm.
And Joshua, he just goes, Nan, because I've always been called Nanny, and he goes, Nan. And we're like, what? Don't call me Nan. Nan. Makes me feel so old. Never mind. Right, I am going to go, and we're going to go and do some more crafting, shall we? Shall we do some more? Maybe we will do some crafting. Maybe we'll come back. We do not know yet because we're just going to do whatever, aren't we, today? We are just going to potter around and do some things maybe. So thank you all for joining us. And thank you for wishing Jess a happy birthday for tomorrow. And I will get her to get me some pictures of her cards because they are super stunning. You need to have that one to go home with you. She's so beautiful. I want to kind of keep her. Look, but it's got her initials on, so
You can if you want.
oh, it's just beautiful. I love it so much. So cute. Right, okay, my lovelies, you have a lovely, lovely day, and I will see you all tomorrow. We're going to go and have some fun. So take care from me. Bye from me.
Bye.
Okay, put your hands in. Bye. She's like, bye. Right, bye, everybody. See you soon. Take care. Love you. Bye.